Alright, so I know your time is valuable and I wouldn't want to waste your time at all. So in this video, I want to show you a very simple ICT strategy that's going to help you leave your job in the next 90 days if you stick to the plan and follow this consistently. So as you can see, I have the zones all marked out because I do not want to waste your time. Time is valuable. How the strategy works is you go up to the 1 hour time frame and you look for an area where price bounced and retested multiple times. This is adding ICT strategy into break and retest and support and resistance. As you can see, price reacted off of this point multiple times, made a resistance, turned support, turned support, turned support, 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 and price broke these highs, grabbing the liquidity to the upside. One thing you want to look for again is after price grabbed the liquidity to the upside after multiple retesting of this structure, you want to make sure you see a change in character. All right, so as you can see, price grabbed the liquidity of this candlestick down here. There's a grab of liquidity and price went up. This is where the whole move started from, which means this whole move confirmed this grab of liquidity. If price had just tanked to the downside, it's not a valid grab of liquidity. But since price grabbed the liquidity and closed above these highs, this is a change in structure, change in market structure. So this change in market structure actually defines and confirms this grab of liquidity. So after you see this candlestick push the upside, you want to mark out your order block zone. So you want to look for your order block, which is the last bearish candlestick before the change of character to the upside. But if it's in a downtrend or in a sell phase, you're going to look for the last bullish candlestick before the change of character to the downside. As you can see, price retested this to the very T, and your stop loss should be slightly below this grab of liquidity candlestick wick, and you should target the highs that price made, which is this highs right here. As you can see, this trade went for a solid 2.8 to 1 on just this one single trade. And this is exactly how I trade, although yeah, there are some other confluences I add in to make it even more beautiful and even more powerful. And as you can see, I've been taking some more trades here. This one was a win trade, it was a winning trade, it was also a winning trade. I had some more trades. Some was a break even, this one was a break even trade, this was a missed trade, and this was a winning trade I called out live on the VIP signals group. So as you can see, I called all this trade out on my Telegram VIP group. This was when I was explaining the trade, too bad we missed. And this was when I took the trade and I called for break even. This was when the trade was going in profit. I said secure 25%. This was when I was saying, okay, I would hold the trade till it hits my full TP down here. And as you can see, the trade hits full TP. So beautiful. Like, this is actually simple. If you can stick to this plan, I assure you, you can quit your job in the next 90 days. If you want to join my VIP group and learn how I trade, DM me on Instagram and let's get started, guys.